Very good afternoon. Myself Dr. Manoj Kumar Yadav, Assistant Professor, Department of Plant Pathology, Janata College, Pathiwar, Etawah. Today my the teaching point are the life cycle of black rust of heat. Black rust of heat is the most dangerous or destructive disease of the heat, and heat is the one of the most serial crop. So the rust is the most destructive disease of heat, and that protect with the management and study of the disease. So I am discussing about the black rust of heat, that is called by Vaccinia gravis triticii. The life cycle or disease cycle, how it is the cycle is completed in the life cycle in whole year in the alternative host as well as the main host, that is the heat craft. So I am starting from the life cycle. So it is the oxygen of the disease, that is alternative host, and the alternative host is that host, the host that is the different from the main host craft, different family of the main host craft, that is known as alternative host. So the pathogen, that is the Bacteria gravis triticii, is the survive in the oxygen of the alternative host, that is the Berberine, and in the form of the Basidiospore. So what are the Basidiospore? What is the character of the Basidiospore? Basidiospore is the haploid spore, the rust fungi. It is the most important thing. It is the haploid spore, and that germinated to develop the villa. It is the germ tube of the Basidiospore, and that is the different development of the fungi. That is the one donor and other the receptive, and these are the mated to each other. It is a different kind, heterokaryosis. They are not matched with the similar Basidiospore. It is a different Basidiospore that is developed the Pycniospore. The Pycniospore or Spermatia. The Pycniospore or Spermatia are the developed on the alternative host leaf on the upper surface that infect the also the alternative host, that leaf and the upper surface, that develop the Pycniospore in the pycnidium, that is the pycnia. It is the fruiting body of the Pycniospore, and then after some time that develop the Asia, that is the Asia, that is the Asium. It is the fruiting structure of the Asiospore, and that Asiospore are the develop on the lower surface of the alternative host, and that it is the life cycle. It is completed on the alternative host in the oxygen in the plain area. The Asiospore finally to infect the first time the main host, that is known as heat craft. The character of Asiospore the generally spherical in the form and dikaryotic. It have two nucleus in the one cell, and that after the infection of the heat, these spores develop the Uridosaurus, and that Uridosaurus develop the Uridospore. Uridospore is the basic character. It is the spiny, uninucleate, and uninucleate and unicell binucleate. They have two nuclei, and it is the repeated the infection in this season of the wheat crop. They repeat the infection till now. That is the wheat is not matured. till they infect the wheat. That is known as repeating structure. Okay, and in the majority time, the wheat crop majority time, the urodospores develop the teleospore in the majority state. They are the binucleate. They are diploid in chromosome because they are need to karyogamy meiosis so many process for the development of the other life cycle. So it is the teleosporus, and teleospore develop the teleospore. Then teleospore in the maturity stage of wheat is maturing stage. So wheat is harvested. Then teleospore undergoing to karyogamy. It is a fusion of the nucleus. Then meiosis, the division of the cell, and after meiosis they develop the 4 basidiospore. These are the first cell, that is the first cell develop the 4 basidiospore, and the second cell it have also developed the second 4 basidiospore. These basidiospore after the meiosis they are diploid because the teleospore are the diploid in nature, and these basidiospore the release from the